Dumelang, Tshegofatso here. Ke bidiwa Tshegofatso Dumelang ko lapeng. And today I thought we might learn parts of our faces. Parts of our face. I have a little poster here from Losika Writes that goes in Setswana with all the details of our face that we can go through. So face is sefatlego, 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 sefatlego means face. So sefatlego, same is my face. Before you get to the face, you might as well talk about the head. So head is tlhogo, tlhogo, head. Hair, muriri, muriri, muriri is hair. Muriri is hair. Yep. Forehead. Sekopo, sekopo, sekopo is forehead. Lerama, lerama means one cheek. Marama, 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 cheeks, both of them. Liitlo, liitlo is one eye. Matlo, matlo is both of them. Unko, unko, unko is nose. Tsebe, tsebe, tsebe is ear. Molomo, molomo, molomo is lips. Lejano, lejano is mouth. Lejano is mouth. Meno, meno, teeth. Siledu, siledu is chin. What else have we missed? Tongue, luleme. Luleme is tongue. So, tlhogo, head, tlhogo, sekopo, leitlo, lerama, nko, molomo, luleme, meno, siledu. Tlhogo, sekopo, matlo, nko, marama, molomo, lejano, luleme, ditsebe, siledu. Yay! So those are parts of your face. What do you do with them? So you hear with your ears or you listen with your ears. And how do you say that? Ke reetsa, reetsa ka ditsebe. I listen with my ears. Ke reetsa ka ditsebe. I see with my eyes. Ke bona ka matlo. Ke bona ka matlo means I see with my eyes. What do you do with your nose? You smell. Ke nkga, nkga ka nko. Ke nkga ka nko means I smell with my nose. Ke utlwa tatso ka loleme. Ke utlwa tatso ka loleme. So utlwa can be part of listening. So ke utlwa ka ditsebe. Ke reetsa ka ditsebe means I listen or I hear with the ears. But utlwa tatso, which means taste with my tongue. I chew with my teeth. Ke chotla, chotla ka meno. Ke chotla ka meno means I chew with my teeth. Ke suna ka molomo. I kiss with my lips. Ke suna. Suna is kiss. Ke suna ka molomo. So I verb with the organ. Ke reetsa or listen. Ke utlwa or listen. Ka tsebe. Ke utlwa ka ditsebe. Both of them. Ke bona ka matlo. I see with my eyes. I smell with my nose. Ke nkga ka nko. Ke utlwa tatso ka loleme. Ke chotla ka meno means I chew with my teeth. Ke suna ka molomo means I kiss with my lips. That's all I smile. What is smile? Nyenya. Ke na le monyeng with my lips. So those are parts of your face. How cool is that? So you can say Dumela. Say your name. Ke bidiwa Losika. Ke dingwaga tse. Say the age. I have 6 years old. Ke na le ditsebe tse pedi means I have 2 ears. Ke na le ditsebe. Ditsebe means plural. Tse pedi. Pedi is 2. That means I have 2 ears. Ke reetsa or ke utlwa ka ditsebe. I listen with my ears. So what other part of your face do you have? I think that was it. I don't know if we have a name for eyebrows or eyelashes. It's just hair. Muriri. Muriri. I guess you might say muriri walitlo means eyelashes, which is hair around the eye. I'm not sure about eyebrows. If you know what eyebrows are, you should comment down below and help the sister out. Then you have dimples. I have dimples. Digoti, which is like holes, like literally holes on your cheeks. Digoti marame means dimples, holes on your cheeks. That's how I describe them. I think that's it. Those are all things I can think of on my face. Hope you learned something. Have a good one. Bye.